Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can play YouTube music into Discord. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now for all of the current music Discord bots, usually you would go ahead and search for it in our browser right here, and then look for one that allows you to play YouTube videos or YouTube links. However, due to copyright issues, at the moment we are limited with the number of bots available for us to be able to play YouTube videos or YouTube music. Now, as of the creation of this video, we will be taking a look at one Discord bot that allows us to give a link and play it in our Discord server. And this is called Jockey Music Bot right here. So go ahead and search for this and then go ahead and click on the first link that we have. Now go ahead and scroll down and then just go ahead and click yes, I do. And then go ahead and click on this once again. And then yeah, you can go ahead and invite any of these. So if you want 4 different bots available, go ahead and invite them into your server. So we'll just be adding one right here, and then this will open up a new link. And what you want to do is to go ahead and log in. If you are not logged in, then go ahead and log in and then select a server right here that you are currently in. So go ahead and add a server right here and then click continue. And then what you want to do is to make sure that this is ticked right here, and then go ahead and click authorize. Go ahead and confirm that you are not a robot, and then you should be able to see something like this, that it has been authorized to be in this particular server. So let's go back into our Discord, and then you should be able to see that there is some form of message right here, and you should be able to see that this is also added as one of the bots included in your server. Now go right on ahead and go into calls or go into one of the voice channels. And then what we're going to be doing is we want to add this bot into our current voice channel as well. So go right on ahead and type in !join right there, and then click enter. And then as you can see here, it will say that it has been summoned, and you should be able to see that it has joined as well in terms of your voice channel. Now you can go ahead and play music if you want from a YouTube link. So let's go into our YouTube first, and then go ahead and select a YouTube music that you want to play, and then go ahead and click share, click copy, and then we're gonna go back into our Discord channel. Now go ahead and type in the command !play, and then space, and then the actual link itself right here. Now go ahead and click enter. And I am not recording it, but it is currently playing that particular music through the headphones or through the speakers. So as you can see here, it is playing green, so it means that it is now playing music. And there you go. If you want to go ahead and get it to skip or to leave, these are some basic commands that you can see. If you want to take a look at some more complicated commands, then just go ahead into the website right here. And there you go. You're now able to play YouTube videos or YouTube links into your Discord channel. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.